Water supply is a very big issue for Tesla Giga Berlin in Germany, and we're just learning that it looks like Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is getting new friends regarding this issue, as green politicians in Germany do not see problems with water supply to Tesla Giga Berlin, and we're also learning that more groundwater is to be tapped for Tesla. How is this going to happen, and who are the new friends? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle breaking news stories that happened just hours ago, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also give us thumbs up please, and like this video if you found it helpful. So the details are coming from Tasmania, and Eva Fox is reporting that green politicians in Germany do not see problems with the water supply of the Tesla Giga Berlin factory. The green leader denied environmental groups' fears that the construction of Tesla factory would lead to water problems in Brandenburg. This is a very important news for Tesla and Elon Musk, because Elon Musk on several occasions at Giga Berlin has said that this is not a dry area, this is not a desert. I mean the Brandenburg, where Tesla is building the Giga Berlin factory, but he has been the lone voice in this. But now when the environmental green leaders talk about this, looks like Elon Musk is getting fresh new friends supporting Giga Berlin. So recently the leader of the green parliamentary group, Anton Hofreiter, visited the Tesla Giga Berlin Gigafactory construction site in Grünheide. He confirmed that he does not see any problems with water consumption there. I made inquiries. The amount of water that is needed is optimized and can be provided, the politician said. That's new factory. Actually, Tesla's new factory has faced opposition in Germany, and the water supply has become one of the stumbling blocks, while the issue has already been openly resolved and commented on by both Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association WSE. Stakeholders still continue to distort the facts by portraying the American manufacturer Tesla as a villain and spreading false fears, notes the Tasmanian. At the moment, at phase 1 of expansion of Giga Berlin, the car factory and battery factory will need 1.4 million cubic meters of water every single year. The American manufacturer and the WSC, the water provider, have signed a contract for the supply and maximum consumption of 1.5 million cubic meters of water per year. Musk previously mentioned that this calculation was based on peak factory consumption, but in reality, these are not daily events, so water consumption will be lower. That is why any accusation and problems based on this have no basis, says Tasmanian. The Tasmanian also reports that at the end of March, the Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment issued an official statement that the state has sufficient groundwater resources to produce drinking water as well as to supply commerce and industry. Here's a quote from that, friends. Brandenburg currently has sufficient groundwater resources for the production of drinking water as well as for the supply of trade and industry. This applies to both the quantity of water and its quality. End of the quote. Now green politicians have sided with Tesla, and this is great for Elon Musk and Tesla getting green politicians on their side. Now the green politicians who have sided with Tesla, they're affirming that environmental groups' concerns about water supply and other aspects of construction are groundless. Hofreiter recalled that the approval process for the construction of Giga Berlin is proceeding smoothly and reasonably in accordance with the law. Green candidate for Chancellor Annalena Baerbock said she was very confident in the state government and that if it approves the construction of Giga Berlin, it will act in accordance with the law. The politician fully trusts the Brandenburg authorities. So this is the second good friend becoming for Tesla Giga Berlin. And finally, some Greens in Germany, friends, who are not masquerading as environmentalists, but really seeking to destroy the environment by delaying Giga Berlin and force unnecessary much use of concrete and steel. says one commenter under Tasmanian's story. Another person says, now we can expect full speed ahead of Giga Berlin factory for Tesla. And yet another person named Jarvis comments saying, yeah, I'm not concerned about those pointless opposition anymore. The people in charge see that the Model Ys are being delivered and they come from China. Why? They can come from Germany because Tesla needs those permits to move forward. The sooner they get started, the better for the German people and also for the environment in Germany, because electric vehicles will have a big change and impact soon in our world and in our cities where we live. In the meantime, the RBB24, Brandenburg's public transportation is public radio, is reporting that more groundwater is to be tapped for Tesla. Because the water problem for Tesla remains in Grünheide, a groundwater deposit in Hangelsberg is to be tapped. However, the responsible state office warns against politically motivated haste. Now, Simon Barnal and Pun Jalevan report for RBB24. They say Andre Bachler has been warning for a long time and often feels that he is misunderstood by the state government. The head of the Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association is responsible for the drinking water supply of around 170,000 people. If the first expansion stage of the Tesla Giga Berlin factory is added, this means additional industrial consumption that is estimated to correspond to that of 40,000 people. For further expansion stages, Water Association boss Bachler sees the supply at the limit and threatens if nothing happens, it could be that the drinking water supply will actually have to be restricted on peak consumption days. Now, the state office says, do not let yourself be politically harnessed to the card. What does this mean? The state government is therefore hoping for a groundwater resource in Hangelsberg. This is currently being investigated by the state office for mining, geology and raw materials. First results are expected in 2 to 3 years at the earliest, said the geologist Dietmar Broos from the state office of the ARD magazine Contrast. The entire examination takes up to 5 years. Broos also warns against politically motivated haste in the investigation. Now, Tesla boss Elon Musk, in turn, reacted these days with amusement to the question about the water problem at Giga Berlin. Here's what he said. There is enough water here. Take a look around. And when a Contrast reporter asked why the local water company said they did not have the water they needed for further expansion stages, Musk laughed. He said, "That's completely wrong. Does this look like a desert?" he questioned. When asked, Tesla points out that the Gigafactory uses less water compared to other large industrial companies in Brandenburg. In addition, the plant peak consumption has already been reduced several times and is still working on optimization. Brandenburg's environmental minister Axel Vogel is still amazed at Elon Musk's statements in an interview with Contrast. There is a fundamental misunderstanding if one equates the abundance of lakes in Brandenburg with abundance of water. Brandenburg has the lowest rainfall per square meter in all of Germany, and that has a natural effect. He said, therefore, Musk is subject to an illusion if he assumed that there is a huge amount of water in his region. It doesn't. Vogel also denied that there was political pressure on employees of the state authority with such new settlements as Tesla. He relies on the cooperation of several drinking water suppliers. However, it takes years to explore these possibilities. Friends, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think Tesla is getting much quicker and faster to its goal to build Giga Berlin? When do you think Tesla will have the first Model Y electric crossover coming out of Giga Berlin? You know, I'm reading more and more in the German media and also in Tesla circles in the United States that people are concerned that as they see Model Ys coming from Germany, from Gigafactory Shanghai being shipped there, they say, hey, we are building our own Gigafactory in Germany. I mean, Tesla is building its own Gigafactory in Germany, and every Model Y that comes from Shanghai is a Model Y not built in Germany. So as soon as Tesla Model Ys, the Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin, in Brandenburg, will come online, the Model Ys will probably stop being shipped from Shanghai and will be shipped in China and maybe Southeast Asia or other regions, maybe more to Russia. I don't know. So let me know your thoughts on this. What do you think, friends? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. You came here and listened this Tesla news. I want to leave you a thought. When you do your day, when you go about your day, just do good, as much good as possible. Our world needs as much good as possible, and we need to denounce evil and evil works. Have a great day, friends. God bless you, everyone. I'll see you soon in our next report. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle breaking news that happened hours ago, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please share in social media and give us thumbs up. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you.